14th May 2026, the Zimbabwe Council of Churches, ZCC, in solidarity with the Zimbabwe Catholic Bishops Conference, ZVAITWA, reaffirms its support for the call to protect the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Sabina mashoko kuda panguva ino chinokonzwe machechi pamwechete nemabishops vouya vachibatana vonyora a document vachiuya vachiwirirana kuti we are going to protect the Constitution of Zimbabwe in such a way that icharamba ichisapota ichiita zvinodiwa neveruzhinji zvido zvevanhu. Tisapinda mashoko mudanyo kwa panguva ino ndobva subscribe like button the bell icon. Anaendera mberi vachiti ZCBC reaffirms its support for the call to protect the Constitution of Zimbabwe and ensure that an amendment process remains faithful to the will of the people, the principles of democracy, and the values of accountability and constitutional integrity. As the Church, we approach this moment with a prayerful reflection and a clear sense of responsibility. Our role is to speak with honesty, humility, and courage whenever matters arise that may shape the future of the nation. We therefore encourage a process that strengthens public trust, upholds meaningful participation, and safeguards the foundations of our constitutional order. Son of man, I have made you a watchman for the house of Israel. Therefore, hear a word from my mouth and give them warning from me. Ezekiel 3:17. ZCC remains committed to peace, justice, and the common good of all Zimbabweans. And we posted this document submission to Parliament on the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment number 3, Bill number 3, and the date when it was compiled. You can comment section methods of Euro any more to leave on each. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.